goes X.
Oh yeah.
Y, imagine.
Yeah.
Z. I want to hit kind of slow. Down into the table.
Yeah, we don't want to hit the table.
No, don't. No.
B. And like I think I told you, 110 degrees, I think it goes up.
Right, yep. I'm pushing to get this machine up there running right now.
And then C goes that way. And these machines will do a total of 720 degrees.
Awesome.
360 degrees both around. Okay, now what I'll do is I'm going to turn everything back on.
Are you guys 24/7? We guys free shift?
Turn it on.
Yep.
Okay. Now,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
as you can see,
You guys on Friday, Saturday,
now
Sunday.
when I go to move on, I'll do it with the hand wheel. On B, notice the X is moving.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yep.
C.
Look at that.
Yep, nice.
That's awesome.
You got a file we can run?
Basically about the same thing as what you saw before. Doesn't do a whole lot.
See a blue Ethernet cord right there?
So it's just off the internet then.